The UK is purchasing 6 Land Ceptor air defence missile launchers, which will support up to 140 jobs across the country and strengthen national security. The UK is purchasing 6 new Land Ceptor air defence missile systems to strengthen national security and defence. This new contract with MBDA will support up to 140 jobs across the UK, demonstrating the role of defence as an engine of growth and supporting the government's plan for change. This is the first live test in the UK of a system so accurate it can hit an object the size of a tennis ball travelling twice the speed of sound. The UK's air defence will be strengthened with the purchase of 6 new Land Ceptor surface-to-air missile systems, the Ministry of Defence announced today, Friday, August 22nd. This £118 million purchase will secure jobs and growth in the northwest, supporting up to 140 jobs, including at MBDA's manufacturing site in Bolton, Lancashire, which is part of the government's plan for change. The systems will be part of Sky Sabre, an advanced defence system capable of intercepting cruise missiles, aircraft, and drones. This system is highly accurate, capable of hitting objects the size of a tennis ball travelling at twice the speed of sound. This advanced system can also control the flight of 24 missiles simultaneously, directing each missile to intercept separate targets simultaneously. The UK is doubling the number of deployable Sky Sabre systems operated by the armed forces in an effort to strengthen our air defences. This acquisition from MBDA will support up to 140 jobs across the UK, including at the site in Bolton, which earlier this year announced an expansion of 700 new jobs. The Department of Defence already supports 1,300 jobs at that facility, and more than 5,000 more jobs at other MBDA sites, contributing to economic prosperity in the northwest and across the UK, and delivering on the government's plan for change. Armed Forces Minister, Luke Pollard MP, said, "We are delivering on the Strategic Defence Review by equipping our armed forces with state-of-the-art equipment to help keep us safe. Doubling our deployable Sky Sabre capability will strengthen the UK's air defences, protect British forces overseas, and deter our adversaries. Through this investment, we are supporting over 100 jobs across the UK, with more to come. We are implementing the government's plan for change, with defence as an engine of growth, enhancing industrial capacity and national prosperity. The upcoming Defence Industrial Strategy will set out how we will further promote defence as an engine of economic growth, building a resilient and thriving industry, and ensuring the dividends of defence coverage across the UK."